Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my previous uploads, I made a video on how you can add a website link to your TikTok bio. But of recent, I've been receiving negative feedbacks that the website option is now missing and that the option to add a website link to your TikTok bio cannot be found. And most of you guys followed the instructions I gave in the previous video, which is to convert your personal TikTok account to a business account. And after doing this, you guys realize that it is still not possible. Here is the reason why it wasn't possible. Okay guys, I carried out a research and here is what I found out and how I got to find it out. I charged up TikTok using my TikTok account and this is the reply they gave to me. Let me read it out loud. Hi, thank you for contacting us. After January 20th, 2022, only business accounts that meet any of the two eligibility requirements below can add a website link to their profile page. Business accounts that have 1,000 plus followers and a business account who completed the business registration process, currently in alpha and only available in the United States, United Kingdom, Russia, Indonesia and Canada. Business accounts using this website link feature before the effect date of January 22, 2022 can continue using the feature with no changes. The new eligibility requirements only affect new business accounts who switched over after the effect date. Adding a website link to your profile allows your audience to quickly access your website from within the app. To add a website link to your profile, 1. Open the TikTok app and log into your business account. 2. Navigate to your profile page by tapping profile. 3. Tap edit profile. 4. Select website. 5. Enter the URL of your website and tap save. Okay guys, I hope this video gives answers to your questions. I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.